Only 1% can score 10 out of 10 on this human body quiz. Can you? Welcome to today's mind-blowing human body quiz, where we separate fact from fiction and put your knowledge to the ultimate test. Play along, drop your score in the comments, and let's see if you're smarter than a doctor. Let's begin. What is the largest organ in the human body? Great start. It is skin. How many taste buds does a human tongue have? Spot on. 10,000 taste buds. After how many days human taste buds regenerates? You are doing great. 10 days. How many chambers does the human heart have? Fantastic. Heart has 4 chambers. What is the largest artery in the body? Spot on. It's called aorta. What is the longest bone in the human body? You are doing great. Femur is longest bone. What is the smallest bone in the human body? It's called stirrup or stapes, located in middle of ear. How many muscles are in the human body? Think fast. Human have 650 muscles. What part of the body has the most bones? Well done, it's hand. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Great answer. O negative. What is the strongest muscle in the human body based on weight? Spot on. Jaw muscle. Where are red blood cells made? That's tricky one, it's bone marrow. How many lungs does a human have? Think fast. This one might just blow your mind. It's 2. Which part of the body has the most sweat glands? Great answer. Feet. What part of the body contains the most fat? Great answer, guys. Skin. How many bones does a newborn baby have? You are doing great. 270. How many bones are in the adult human body? Spot on. 206. What is the main function of red blood cells? Great answer. To carry oxygen. Which part of the brain controls balance? It's cerebellum. If you knew this one, you might be part scientist. What is the powerhouse of the cell? You are doing great. It's called mitochondria. What is the main function of the kidneys? Great answer. Kidneys filter body waste. Which gas do we inhale to stay alive? That's easy peasy lemon squeezy, it's oxygen. What part of the eye controls how much light enters? Great answer. It's called pupil. How many teeth does a normal adult have? You are on fire. It's 32. What is the main function of the liver? You are spot on. To detoxify chemicals. How many ribs does a human have, normally? Hurry up. You can count yours own, it's 12. What is the body's natural defense against infections? Great answer. It's lymphatic system. Which organ produces insulin? Watch your sugar intake. It's pancreas. What percentage of the human body is water? Think fast. This one might just blow your mind. It's 60%. Which part of the digestive system absorbs nutrients? Great answer. It's small intestines. How many pairs of chromosomes do humans have? Great answer. It's 23. What is the main function of white blood cells? Well done. To fight infections. How many lobes does the human brain have? Well done. It's 4. Which sense is controlled by the olfactory nerve? It's smell. What is the function of the diaphragm? Aid breathing. What organ helps to regulate blood sugar? You are doing great. It's pancreas. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Spot on. It's 37 degrees Celsius. What is the name of the tube connecting the mouth to the stomach? Great. It's esophagus. What is the function of the spleen? Great answer, guys. To filter blood. What is the function of hemoglobin? Great answer again. To carry oxygen. Where is the femur bone located? Spot on, guys. It's in our legs. What part of the ear helps with balance? Spot on, guys. It's semicircular canals. Which vitamin is produced by the skin in sunlight? Great answer again. It's vitamin D. What is the longest muscle in the human body? That one is tricky. It's sartorius in thigh. What type of joint is the knee? No worries if you got it wrong. It's hinge-type synovial joint. What is the main function of platelets? Well done again. To form blood clots to stop bleeding. Which part of the nervous system controls involuntary actions? If you get this right, give yourself a high five. Brainstem. What organ stores bile? Well done. It's gallbladder. What is the outermost layer of the skin? Great. It's epidermis. Which part of the body is responsible for producing tears? Don't worry if wrong, it's lacrimal glands. What is the function of the large intestine? Great answer. To store waste. Which system controls hormones in the body? Well done, genius. It's endocrine system. What is the main function of the small intestine? Great going. To absorb nutrients. Which part of the brain controls emotions? Great answer. It's called amygdala. What structure connects muscles to bones? Great. You are on fire. It's called tendons. What is the clear outer layer of the eye called? Great answer. It's called cornea. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for producing bile? Well done. It's called liver. Which blood vessel carries oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the heart? Great. It's called pulmonary vein. What is the primary function of the cerebrum? Great answer, to process thoughts. How long does it take for food to pass through the stomach? Spot on, it's 4 hours. Which gland produces adrenaline? Great answer, it's adrenal gland. What part of the body produces sound for speech? Don't worry if you are wrong, it's larynx. What is the name of the fluid that lubricates joints? That one is tricky. It's synovial fluid. How many vertebrae are in the human spine? Well done. The correct answer is 33. What is the normal heart rate range for an adult? Well done. It's 60 to 100. What is the name of the organ that helps us smell? Good memory. It's olfactory bulb. What is the main function of the appendix? Only organ which has no known function. Which part of the ear helps detect sound vibrations? Good answer. It's cochlea. What type of joint is found in the shoulder? Well done. It's ball and socket. What is the function of the pituitary gland? Well done. It's to control hormone release. How much blood does the human body have on average? Well done. You are genius. It's 4 to 5 liters. What is the name of the pigment that gives skin its color? Great answer, guys. It's melanin. Which vitamin is necessary for blood clotting? It's vitamin K. Well done. What is the main function of the large intestine? To absorb water. Great answer. What is the main function of the hypothalamus? To regulate body temperature. What type of muscle is the heart made of? It's called cardiac muscle. What is the name of the process by which cells divide? This one is tricky. It's mitosis. How does the body primarily lose heat? It's by sweating. What is the primary function of the pancreas? It helps to regulate blood sugar. What is the main function of alveoli in the lungs? Option A, to absorb oxygen. What is the name of the largest part of the brain? Option B, cerebrum. What is the function of the thymus gland? Well done, to develop immune cells. What is the function of the uvula in the mouth? It helps with speech. How many pairs of ribs are in the human body? Human have 12 ribs. Which organ removes waste from the blood? The correct answer is kidney. What is the name of the tissue that connects bones to other bones? It's option B, ligaments. How does oxygen enter the bloodstream? It's option B, through lungs. What is the main function of the rectum? It's to store waste. What is the function of the medulla oblongata? It's to control breathing and heartbeat. Which part of the body is responsible for filtering and cleaning blood? Spot on. It's liver. Which part of the digestive system primarily digests proteins? Great answer. It's stomach. What is the name of the fluid that fills the eye? I know this is difficult. It's aqueous humor. What is the function of the eustachian tube? This is tricky one. To regulate ear pressure. Which muscle helps us breathe? Keep going. We are almost there. It's diaphragm. Which bone protects the brain? Spot on. It's cranium. What is the main function of the bronchi? Great answer. To transport air. What is the function of the gallbladder? Spot on. To store bile. Which sense is the most sensitive in humans? Great answer. It's smell. What is the main function of the endocrine system? Spot on. It's to regulate hormones. And that's a wrap. How did you do? Did you ace it like a pro or learn something new today? If you had fun, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome quizzes, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a challenge. Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and keep challenging your brain.